Guys, welcome back to Psyche Abridged. Today we're gonna talk about two terms that don't have any correlation with each other, but we're still gonna speak about it because you know what, they're kind of related, not exactly. You wouldn't picture them to be together, so yeah, that. So, how anxiety hurts gratitude? Have you thought about it? Anxiety and gratitude cannot coexist easily, Not because gratitude is weak, but because anxiety is so loud, it's so loud. Anxiety trains the brain to scan for danger. What could go wrong? What might be taken away? What you missed? What you should have done? What you shouldn't have done? And it's just anxiety provoking, right? Gratitude, on the other hand, is quite different. Gratitude asks a very different question. What stayed? What helped? What held me even for a few seconds, and it helped me in that moment a lot. An anxious brain rarely pauses long enough to answer that. So for example, you receive love. Your anxiety immediately asks, for so long, for how long? It's hard. We question love then, You achieve something, your anxiety whispers, what if I can't repeat this? Even joy becomes temporary in an anxious mind because it's busy preparing for loss. Neurologically, anxiety keeps the amygdala active, you guys, flooding the system with urgency. Gratitude requires the prefrontal cortex to work instead. So PFC is your best friend, alright? So reflection, safety and perspective, that comes from your prefrontal cortex. When the brain feels unsafe, it cannot feel thankful. It feels alert. That's why people with anxiety aren't ungrateful. They are overprotective. And we feel that protectiveness is good, but sometimes you are just trying to help yourself in a place which is not gonna help you. You're just trying to overthink it out. You might have seen the movie Inside Out, right? You've seen anxiety, what it does. So that. They don't fail to appreciate good things. They fear losing them, the people who feel overprotective, right? So gratitude doesn't disappear. It gets delayed, buried under hypervigilance. And healing isn't about forcing gratitude. It's about calming the nervous system enough for gratitude to finally be felt. Because once the brain feels safe, gratitude returns naturally, guys. Quiet, soft and real. Not as practice, as a response. So now that you've learned something new, see you back at Psyche Abridged.